Are you tired of struggling with a low credit score? Are you sick of being turned down for loans and credit cards because of unpaid collections on your credit report? It's time to take control and boost your credit score in less than a week by following these steps. Gather all of your collection accounts and make a list of them. This will help you keep track of which accounts you need to pay off and in what order. If you are unsure, obtain copies of your credit report. Instructions on how to get your credit reports can be found in an earlier video in this series. See the playlist on the end screen. Determine which collection accounts you can pay off immediately. If you have any accounts with small balances, consider paying these off first to get them out of the way. Negotiate with the collection agencies. If you don't have the funds to pay off the full balance of a collection account, try negotiating with the collection agency to see if they will accept a lower amount as full payment. Consider using a debt settlement service. If you're unable to negotiate a lower balance with the collection agency, a debt settlement service may be able to help you negotiate a lower balance on your behalf. Pay off your collection accounts as soon as possible. The longer you don't pay a collection account, the more it will hurt your credit score. So, it's important to pay off your collection accounts as soon as possible. Here are a couple of tips to help you. Pay off your collection accounts in the order that they will have the greatest impact on your credit score. If you're unable to pay off a collection account, consider reaching out to a credit counselor for help with developing a plan to get your debts under control. The key to success with this is negotiation. Do not be afraid to negotiate. Negotiating a deal to pay off your collections can be a great way to boost your credit score quickly. Here are a few tips to help you negotiate. Gather all the necessary information. Before you start negotiating, make sure you have all the necessary information about your collection accounts. This includes the account number, the creditor's name, and the amount owed. Contact the creditor. Start by reaching out to the creditor and explaining your situation. Be honest about your financial situation and ask if they are willing to work with you to come up with a payment plan or settlement. Make a reasonable offer. Once you have a sense of what the creditor is willing to accept, make a reasonable offer to pay off the debt. Keep in mind that the creditor wants to get paid, so they may be willing to negotiate a lower amount in exchange for a lump sum payment. Get the agreement in writing. Once you have reached an agreement, make sure to get it in writing. This will protect you in case the creditor doesn't follow through on their end of the deal. Pay off the debt as agreed. Once you have paid off the debt, make sure to keep track of the payment and any communication with the creditor. This will help you verify that the account has been removed from your credit reports. Remember, when paid off, the creditor should remove the account from your credit reports. This can have a big impact on your credit score and help you boost it quickly. If you are able to pay the negotiated amount immediately and get the agreement in writing to remove the account from your credit reports. Remember, there are 3 credit bureaus, and you will have a massive score increase in less than a week. Great job making it this far. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can boost your credit score in just a week by paying off your collections. Remember, it's important to be proactive and reach out to your creditors to negotiate a deal to pay off the collections and have them removed from your credit reports. This can have a huge impact on your credit score and overall financial health. If you want more tips and tricks on how to improve your credit score, be sure to check out our other video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest content. Thanks for watching.